In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a healthy protein brownie that tastes absolutely delicious. And if you wish so, even a banana vanilla ice cream on the side to pair with it. Anyways, let's get started. First thing is just preheat your oven, just fan forced 180 degrees Celsius. With that ready, let's start making your brownie. 3 bananas, preferably ripe, medium to large, and simply mash them up. The riper it is, the sweeter it is. Next up, 4 tablespoons of, just some classical cocoa powder, 2 scoops of protein powder, preferably chocolate, and then half a cup of peanut butter. Add the peanut butter because it adds the fudginess that is necessary for this brownie. This is the peanut butter I use. Sorry about that sticker. But anyway, it's just indulgence, cookie dough, chocolate chip swirl, peanut butter. Tastes absolutely amazing in this brownie. Next up, half a cup of dark chocolate chips, not normal, dark for that richness, and basically mix it up. As you see, this texture is like a cookie. If you want to make it into a cookie, you can do that. However, as we are making it into brownies, we need to add half a cup of light milk. And basically, the more you mix it, the more you see that it will blend in, making this beautiful texture for the brownie. That is basically it, guys. Really, really simple. Put that into your baking pan with some baking paper. Make it a little bit messy, but it's all good. And then put that into your oven that should now be hot. Place that in nice. Close it up and set your alarm for 45 minutes-ish. Next up, it is time to make the vanilla ice cream if you wish to do so. 1 banana, again, ripe is better. 60 grams of yogurt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then just a tablespoon of maple syrup. The yogurt I use is the Coast Perform yogurt, as it is higher in protein and very little in fats. But we just have to be very patient and let it blend if you want to create that nice, creamy consistency. Basically, just pop that into, your bowl and just look at that nice and creamy consistency. Obviously, it won't taste as good as normal ice cream, but, for the macros, this is 100% worth it. Just cover it, and what we're going to do is place it into the freezer like normal ice cream, and we're going to melt it afterwards, so then it matches the brownie. In the meantime, your brownie should be cooked. Basically, take that off and, let it cool down. But look at that, guys. The chocolate chips really are the secret because it makes those little chalky, liquidy things in the middle that taste so good. But you should be able to cut it into 9 equal slices weighing in at about 96 grams. I'm just gonna have the middle one because it is the best part. And just look at that, guys. Looks bloody fantastic. I'm gonna pop this into the microwave for 1 minute so then it melts and then it tastes even better. In the meantime, I'm gonna take my ice cream out of the fridge. It should be ready now. And as you see here, the brownie has melted a bit, bringing back that chocolate from the chocolate chips. And what we're gonna do is grab half of this ice cream for now and leaving the other half for later. And just look at that, guys, nice and creamy, beautiful, delicious plates. So before we do try the brownie, as a fitness and health channel, we of course have to analyze the macronutrients. So I have this thing here, which shows me everything because I can't remember. But just the brownie, guys, here are the macronutrients. Nearly 100 grams this brownie weighs with only 232 calories, 25 grams of carbs, 11 grams of protein, and 12 grams of fat. Just a comparison, let's look at a protein bar, for example. I just got your typical Nature Valley protein, 10 grams of chocolate nut bar. Can't really see it through this since it's inverted, but I'm sure you guys know what it is if you live in Australia. But anyways, this thing here has 10 grams of protein and 185 calories. So this is already better than the brownie. However, per serving, the bar is only 38 grams, whereas the brownie is nearly 100 grams. I don't know about you, but I would prefer to have the brownie, especially that there aren't any weird ass ingredients like vegetable oils, flavors, thickeners, and inverts sugar syrup. It is up to you. Now, looking at just the ice cream, here are the macros. Comparing both of them together, so the one slice of brownie with half of that plate of vanilla ice cream, here are the macros. Bloody fantastic stuff. Now let's go to the taste test. So here's the final result, guys. A warm brownie with some healthy vanilla banana ice cream. And guys, if you do this right, you heat up the brownie well with the ice cream still cold. This thing actually tastes fantastic. You have to try it. Anyways, that is all for this video. But please, guys, hit that subscribe button for the support. I'll see you all for the next one.